Oh, mahirap pala yung mag-set up ng banda, hindi pa daw tapos yung pag-set up. Alright? So, kailan pa nag-umpisa yung banda?
Actually po, bago po akong membro sa kanila. Well, I think it's 2006 because the band leader is Odi. Actually, Odi.
Odi. May singer pa pala dito. Halika, ma'am.
Represent ko lang po ng members ng band.
On yun eh. On yun.
And Itay. On the bass is Edwin. Drums is Edwin. Guitars, Jimmy and Odi. A round of applause to them, please. Noisy Band started in 2003. Started as a friendly group. 2006, sorry.
2009.
Group.
July.
Filipinos in Bristol and then
Second above us.
now going to London. Actually, the Noisy Band was in London last July 18 during the Barrio Fiesta in Oslo. They also performed the SAU with their very best today. They prepared so much, kaya lang po nagkaroon po ng problema kanina dito sa mga instruments. That's why medyo natagalan lang po ng preparation. But then,
That's our group. Yeah.
please bear with us. I promise you,
Preston!
very nice.
Preston! Doon ka dali. Preston ka. Sumigaw ka ha? Come on! Preston!
Parang kape, 3 in 1. My sugar, my coffee, and creamer. Anyway, we'd like to thank our major sponsors, Century Properties, GMA Kapuso TV, and the others who came here. Thank you very much for supporting the the very first Blackpool Filipino Fiesta. And I hope you, kahit may delay tayo, nag-enjoy pa rin tayo, masaya pa rin tayo kasi matindi yung init. Masaya ba tayo sa init? Ako, ayaw ko nang mainit, kaya nandito ako sa loob umaas na. Kasi meron ako my thyroid gland is very active.
We also enjoy a halo-halo, Luis Serrano. Ay, sayang po ito. Natin ang Wilma Oriental. Michelle and Chris Catering.
Okay po, if you are interested to come and join. Okay?
Family talk.
We are from Preston. We are from Preston.
But we are
from Blackpool.
Stanley Park.
Stanley Park.
There's a lot of Filipino community.
Yung po mga gustong bumili ng ticket po ni concert ni Madonna, birthday na sa club number 1 sa Bloomfield. 7 o'clock. Pwede na po kayo magbayad doon, diretso. Kita-kita po tayong lahat.
Waiting for the entertainment.
Dahil ako lang. At nadalabigan na will be entertaining.
Nasa Madonna and New Group concert right after Barrio Fiesta. Venue is Blackpool number 1 Club.
Ng mga Filipino songs at sana po ay magustuhan ninyo. Ito po ay alay namin sa yumaong former President Cory Aquino.
Ready?
to listen to a Filipino performing in front of us, di ba? Iba pa rin yung pakiramdam, yung namimiss mong bagay sa Pilipinas, ngayon, naramdaman mo na dito sa ating gathering. Again, we'd like to thank you, our sponsors, GMA Pinoy TV, One Philippines Newspaper, Pinoy event organizers of this Barrio Fiesta, the officers of Blackpool Lancashire, Filipino-British Association of Blackpool Lancashire UK, and and to all the stalls who are supporting us.